With over 160 years of experience, Syntegon provides comprehensive support to the pharmaceutical industry. The company's strong global presence of more than 30 locations makes it an exceptional, agile partner. This also showed in the cooperation with Alcami, where Syntegon again demonstrated its liquid, fill finish and isolator expertise.
Alcami is a contract development and manufacturing organization with over 675,000 square feet across the United States. We're one of the few standalone contract service providers offering significant scale of analytical depth and capacity for manufacturing.
Our partnership with Syntegon has played a key role in the expansion of our sterile manufacturing operation in Charleston, South Carolina.
We chose Syntegon because we knew they would be a great partner. They have a good track record. We also know that they have a great reputation in the industry for designing very well. I think we were able to collaborate together to really meet the state-of-the-art needs that are expected across the world whenever it comes to different regulations, different expectations on how we produce injectable products.
Our customers expect modern and flexible sterile filling solutions of the highest quality. Syntegon was able to provide the exact solution we needed.
When Alcami reached out to us, we were absolutely thrilled to support, because flexible machine concept for sterile filling are among the things we do best. Alcami requested an additional sterile filling line. Of course, we have the ideal solution in our portfolio. An ARF filling machine with peristaltic filling system and 7 different formats for maximum flexibility. We also integrated a sterilization tunnel and cleaning machines for the highest product and operator safety, all of which were implemented here in Charleston, South Carolina.